It's Prime Big Deal Days, and this time we're talking about camper accessories. Stick around. Everybody, welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Today, we're getting a little bit out of the ham radio world and talking about campers. Today is the start of Prime Deal Days here in October, and we're going to take a look at some of the best deals on camper accessories in Amazon Prime. You know, camping season's starting to wane. We're getting starting to get deep into fall. It's going to be cooling off, and some of us will be putting our campers away here soon. But I wanted to go over some options here that Amazon has available. In order to participate in Amazon Prime Big Deal Days, you will need an Amazon Prime membership, which you can find on the Amazon website. Use the link down in my description down below, as well as the comment section, in order to get that. That certainly helps support the channel. Let's go. Here we are on Amazon.com. We're going to click on Prime Big Deals right here in the top left-hand corner, the blue button, and get started looking at everything that we can here. So this looks like a pretty good deal. This is for a travel trailer, 27 to 30 foot. It's an RV cover, 7 layers, $189. Not too terribly bad. For a pop-up, now, I don't know if that'd fit mine or not. 8 to 10 foot cover for $71. These are great for winterizing. Keep all the weather off of it. Let's see here. Moving on, you got a LiPo, 12 volt, 200 amp hour battery, 4,000 plus deep cycles, $439. Don't know why that's showing up. Oh, because it's probably sponsored. It's not showing a big deal banner here, but it's there. You got a moonshade awning for $600. Got a 28-gallon honey wagon. I know that's what a lot of folks call these. These are your tanks. You can put your gray water or your black water in here, one or the other. $255. Moving down, paper towel holder for $639. RV toilet treatments. You got a 30 count here. It's going to be $12.24. A bunch of fuses. I know we went through some fuses on my camper not too long ago. $7.97. 140. That's a deal, folks. 140 different fuses, 5 amp all the way up to 20 amp and probably 30 amp fuses. $7.97. That's 6 cents per fuse. Eat that, O'Reilly. Eat that, Advanced Auto Parts. Eat that, Napa. What a deal. $7.97 for all those fuses. Great deal. Maybe you have some steps. They've got 10 LED battery operated motorhome motion sensor LED strip lights for $13.59. Let's see here. More. Let's see here. More of those. Here's a Viver temporary power outlet panel, RV electrical breaker box, 30 amp, 20 amp GFCI receptacle. Only $53 on that one. Shower head for your camper, $26. This is a RV furnace, Fogatti, $679. Maybe you're into overland. I don't know if you'd call this overlanding or not, but it's a tent for your truck, $191. Here's another cover, exportation travel trailer cover, 24 to 27 foot for $149.88. All right, now we get into the fun stuff. You got the lights here. These are 4-in-1 quick storage, 32.8 foot rechargeable outdoor LED string lights. $18.99. Here's a portable clothesline for $7.99. Let's see here. More holding tank treatment, 18-pack for $28. I think the other one was a better deal. Heavy duty RV awning fabric replacement for $107. Let's see here. Here's some hoses, $55.03. All kinds of good deals here, folks. If you need to get some stuff for your camper, this is the time to do it. Here's you another shower head for $11.82. A slim toaster. You know, if you have a pop-up like I do, you're pretty slim on space. This little toaster takes up just a little bitty tiny slice of space, no pun intended, for $24.99. Here's an outdoor rug for $26.99. Not a bad deal there either. All kinds of cool stuff. Backup camera, solar powered, $87.99. Not bad. Not bad. All kinds of cool stuff here, guys. There's you some looking like or leather look dinette set chairs if you need those, and all kinds of cool stuff. So, guys, use the link down in the description for Amazon Prime Big Deal Days. You don't have to just do it for ham radio. You don't have to just do it for campers. Whatever you're looking for, Amazon's got it. So use my link down in the description and go check it out. Make sure you take Prime member in order to get the Prime pricing. Let me tell you something, that Prime membership is well worth it. You will use it over and over and over. Free shipping, Amazon Prime Video, all kinds of good stuff. And if you're an NFL fan, you probably already got Amazon Prime because of Thursday Night Football already being on Prime. Guys, appreciate your support. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe and share this video out with somebody you know. Thanks for watching 73's A4WX WSCB 693.